Expressions for greeting someone. Today, we're going to look at some common and useful phrases and expressions for greeting someone in English. Whether you're meeting someone for the first time or just saying hi to a friend, we've got you covered. Formal greetings. Let's start with some formal greetings. These are perfect for professional settings or when you're meeting someone for the first time. Hello.
Hello, 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 hello.
Hi.
Hello. This is Mary. She's my new girlfriend. Yeah.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. Hello. I don't know what's today.
Hello there.
Hello there. Hello yourself.
Hi. Hello. Hello there.
Oh, hello there.
Something wrong with the furnace?
Search me.
How do you do? This is very formal and often used in traditional or business environments.
How do you do?
How do you do? Hello, man.
No. How do you do, sir?
How do you do?
How do you do?
How are you? A polite and common way to ask someone how they're doing.
How are you? How are you? Donna, you remember your cousins, right?
How are you? Oh, I'm great.
I'm fine.
Hi, how are you?
How are you? Good.
How are you?
How are you? Good, thanks. Yeah, nice to meet you.
Informal greetings. Now let's move on to more informal greetings. You'll hear these a lot among friends, classmates, or on social media. Hey.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Hi. Hi. Hi. Hi. Hi. Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Hi.
Hey there.
Hey there.
Hey there. So, I think I'm done.
Hey there. Hey.
Hey there. Good place to think, huh?
Yeah, definitely.
Hey there.
Hey.
So, we got him.
What's up? Very casual. You can simply reply with, not much, or all good.
Hey, what up, what up, what up? Hey, what's up?
Hey, what's up?
What's up?
What's up?
What's up? What's up? You tell me.
What's up?
What's up?
Did you two just get high? Just now?
What's happening?
What's happening?
Hey!
What? What happened? I got back up.
What? What happened?
Nothing, I'm fine. Billy, it's time to go.
What's happened? Are you sure?
How are things?
How are things?
Oh, well, same as always, Mom.
How are things?
Good, doctor. And you?
Great.
How are you? How are things?
I'm good. Yeah, how are you?
How are things?
How's everything?
How's everything?
Good. And she's talked about Chet the whole time.
How's everything?
How's everything? How's that new grief support group?
How was everything?
Pretty good. Great.
Do you want coffee, dessert on the house?
Recap. Let's quickly go over what we learned today. Formal. Hello. How do you do? How are you? Informal. Hey, what's up? How's everything? Try using these in your next conversation. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, or subscribe for more English tips. See you next time.